how is everyone? I have another flip through for you. I've been working away on these journals and I finally are finished with it. So this one here is a beautiful altered book. Everything is recycled, altered, reused, repurposed into this beautiful little journal. So this journal here is a great size. It is 4 3/4 by 7.5. It is so darn cute. So this one here has a little bow and there's a bulb pin underneath it with this really cute little dangle that I made with an altered bingo chip. So this, and you can unpin it if you don't want it on there. That's totally fine. That's why I did it. And then this is a it's a painting from a book page that I put on here, and then behind it is some like a doily type, yeah, if you can see it here. So it's like a doily, and so I just put it in as a background. I wrapped it actually around the edge here inside the book. So this is just super cute. This is wallpaper actually. So I had actually made this wallpaper covered book and I had put it in my Etsy shop, and it hadn't sold. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make a beautiful blue kind of boho-ish maybe inspired journal out of it. And I just liked it because everything was just, I just kept seeing blue stuff in my craft room. So I thought, oh, let's just make this into a journal. So here we go. And let's take a look. So I did wrap it around the edge. This is, wait a minute, is this wallpaper? I can't remember. This is wallpaper cardstock. No, that's cardstock. So this is cardstock here, and it's kind of got like a little rain sparkle, not a sparkle, little raindrops like, and it's just really pretty. So everything in here, like I said, is kind of blue inspired. All of my journals are recycled, unwanted, thrifted items. I don't use you know, digitals. I don't buy my scrapbook paper. I don't buy any of that. So all of this stuff is used items. So my journals are authentic junk journals. So here's a little kind of like die cut with 2 little grommets on it, and you could use it as like a book plate. So you could actually like put it on here, put some ribbon or something and make it a book plate. You actually could, you know, I don't know, put it down here or off to the side, put it on the back, but I just thought I would include that in there. This here is actually a placemat, you know, like a paper cardstock placemats for like holidays. This is like a sticky note. It says the best things in life aren't things. So I put that there. This is a page divider. This is a book page. Love that. This, believe it or not, is a, you know, your mouse pad. So it's like a mouse pad with paper. So it was really blue and it had the same type of, you know, images and things, so I put that in there. I just thought it was cute. And here's just some paper that on the other side it actually has some images. Graph paper. Here is a little baggie, so I just put some die cuts and fun things in there. Adult coloring book, love those. Here's another one of the sticky notes. It says, when this you see, think of me. Isn't that cute? This here is like a 2-sided cardstock. The other, I think, is a dark blue on the other side. So I kind of made like a little foldable pocket. You could glue this down here and make a pocket, secret pocket. You could just open it up and have a journaling spot. You could do a fancy little closure here. So it's just kind of all kinds of goody things. This one opens out. Here's a little card in here. It says never settle for just one scoop. And here's the other side. Just thought it was really cute. Here's another one of those sticky notes that you can move around in the journal. There's an adult page again. Here's the other side of the bag. Now this is the bottom, so you could cut it open or make a, you know, punch out the top here. Graph paper. So here's the other side of the 2 holes that are punched that I was just showing you. Where did those go? Oh, here we go. So this is the other side of that page. So it's kind of like a, I think it was like in a scrapbook actually. And it's just got kind of blue squares here, and here's some little paint. Here's the other side of the mouse pad. So here I tucked in, this is kind of like a little, pocket. Is it? Oh yeah, here we go. So it's like 2-piece that just goes in there, and you could definitely put some string here and do all kinds of good things to it. And then I just tucked in a blue mathematic card in there, and I just tipped it upside down, but it's a tag. I put a paper clip there. And I just love this blue paper. Alright, and then here's another sticky note that I just made a tag out of, or a little marker, I guess they're page markers. Here is a half pocket, and there's a little journaling spot you can make here. You could glue it down or whatever, and here's a few little goodies here, and this is an inspirational message. So that's just tucked in there, few little goodies to play around with. This is some dot paper. This is like out of a journal that I took the string, you know, the seam out of, and I just love the dots because then it gives you some, you know, lines on here, and then I love the blue edges. Here's some more sticky note page. It's another one. I have a whole thing full. Here's some tablet paper. There's another one of those. So here's this 2-sided paper that I was talking about. Here's a little tablet of paper. It says love, and a little card here, and this little pocket down here at the bottom. Here is a guest book page. Love it because it has the squares out. Here's some Kool-Aid dyed doilies that I made. Here is some bingo. Now these have several different colors on here. There's a whole bunch of them. You could tear them out, use them, write on them, whatever you want, but those are in there. Okay. This one flips out. Look how pretty that is. Okay, here is another little pocket. I put a bingo card in there. Here is a blue tag. It's a double tag with a little eyelet with string. And here's another little journaling card. It's so darn cute. Here's another page marker. And this is one of those little envelopes, like it's from your child to my mother, but it's just like a huge journaling spot is what it is, and you can just have so much fun with this. I got that at a garage sale one time. There's like 20 of them in there, so I just started popping them in the journals, but they're really pretty. Okay, another sticky note, and again you can just remove them and move them around the journal wherever you want. Okay, here's another half page. Again, you can journal under there. Let's see what kind of goodies are in this one. So here's a little blue tag, 2-sided, and this is an inspirational message. I'll tuck that down in there. There we go. And then here, this opens up. So see, this is part of that placemat. The blessings of God. So I think it was more like a Thanksgiving gathering or something like that, even though it wasn't in, you know, Thanksgiving colors, but it was blessed for the food and that type of thing. All right, and then there is the back. So this is a beautiful, nice oh, I just love this journal. It's really cute, fits good in the hands. There's lots of room in here to fill it, and it'd be really nice for someone. So hopefully this goes to a really good home because I love it. All right, thank you so much, and it will be for sale in my Etsy shop when you see this. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.